Hello! In this video, we will explain the empathy map tool. We will give you its definition, its goal, and give you an example. What is an empathy map? An empathy map is used to articulate what we know about a particular type of user. You empathize with the user by figuring out what a user 1 says, 2 thinks, 3 feels, and 4 does. From this, you get a grip on 5, what his or her pains and gains are. But why and when would you use it? Well, all the data you gathered from, for example, interviews and desk research can be overwhelming. Often, it's difficult to summarize the stakeholders' needs to your client or project team, or to understand yourself, the underlying concerns of your target group. For this, you can use an empathy map. So how does it actually work? Well, you start with a persona, a tourist, for example. In this case, it's about improving the hospitality in homestays. Marcia is staying in a homestay in Nepal. She says she has a hard time telling the homestay owner that she's allergic to nuts. In the meanwhile, she's thinking that she doesn't want to offend the owner. She feels a bit insecure and awkward about it. In the end, she decides to just eat some snacks she got earlier that day and stays in her room. Concludingly, both Marcia and the homestay owner struggle with the language barrier. They would both benefit from some form of translation. This is what the result looks like. Namaste. Thanks for listening and good luck. Here's Sid telling a bit about his experience using this tool.
Empathy map for me is a very critical tool in the problem-based learning methodology. I believe it teaches us to step into someone else's shoes to find out what problems or issues that person might be going through, which is ultimately leading to a bigger problem at a larger level. So it helps us to find out some unnoticed critical issues that might look small, but at the end they might be contributing to the problem. So I think empathy map has played a very good role in my life as well. It might play in the future because this will help me identify what other person might be going through, and it can also make me an emotionally stronger person.